Does the police or the road safety officer have the right to check or inquire of your vehicle particulars? Now, you should understand that the police or the road safety officers do not have the right to demand for your vehicle particulars. The only body that have that right is the vehicle inspection officers. Understand that each body have their own special laws that guide them, and they have their own jurisdiction. They have their own powers. So if they should act outside the nature of their powers, it becomes ultra vires. For instance, Section 4 of the Police Act did not vest in the police the power to demand for or request for vehicle particulars. If a police officer demands or requests for vehicle particulars, he is acting beyond his powers given to him by law. He is acting ultra vires. The federal road safety officers, they can only operate in federal road. And what does federal road entail? Federal road are basically roads that link states together. Probably from Lagos to Ogun State, there's a federal road that links the two states together. That's the federal road. So it then means that the federal road safety officers can only act or are only permitted to act within that road. If they should function in a state-owned road or in a road inside a town, it then means that they are acting outside their powers given to them by law. What can the road safety officers do? They can ask for a driving license to see if they are valid. They cannot, by under no circumstances, demand for your vehicle. But what do you do when the police officers or federal road safety officers oversteps their boundary? Be calm and polite. Let them know that they are acting ultra vires their authority. Politely ask them of their name, their badge number. If they refuse to tell you, you can look it up at their breast pockets. It's always there. Ensure you take photos or videos of them during the process. This you can do by a camera known as X camera. Go to Play Store, download the camera. With that camera, you'll be able to make a video even when your phone is on its background. Ask to speak with their superiors or their supervisors. You can also report to their relevant agencies, which could be the Human Rights or their Agency for Internal Affairs. Also, you can equally speak with a lawyer who will direct you on how to go about it, either through filing a petition or a complaint. It's good for you to know your right, because knowing your right would help you defend yourself against these agencies, ensuring that you are not being abused by them or that they do not abuse their powers given to them by law. And with this, you'll be able to put them in check. My name is Isaac Okeke. I'm a lawyer and a real estate entrepreneur who uses the machinery of the law as a tool to safeguard the interests of my clients. See you when I see you again.